So here is how you can change the camera settings on your iPad. Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are like two parts of this, I would say. So at first, if we open up the camera app on the iPad, it doesn't matter if we are on the rear facing or front facing camera, but the point is that in here we have some settings we can change, right? Like the flash, the live photo, the timer, and some things which are part of the of the iPad in here, but it's not really that much, because if you need or want to change some additional settings, you actually have to leave the camera app and go to the actual settings app. And in here, when you go and scroll through the menus, you'll be able to find one for specifically the camera, so you can get there, and this is the place where all of the settings happen to be. So you can change the settings for recording videos, right? You can choose the built-in or default resolution you want to capture videos at, and also choose some things like automatic FPS and so many things, right? Like locking white balance, and so many things can be managed in here. So slow motion settings, sound settings for capturing audio, right? You can choose audio zoom or stereo or mono, whatever, right? So plenty of different things, and this is the place where you can manage them. However, if you still need a little bit more, then it would make sense to get another app for capturing footage. For example, you can go to the App Store and look up the Final Cut Camera, which is an app developed by Apple, and it's only made for iPhones, but it would work on iPad as well. But it's like a professional camera which you can use to capture footage and have yet even another set of settings, right? Like automatic white balance control, and like literally doing that inside of the app while you are capturing it. So yeah, you have some stuff which you can play with, and that's something that you need to check out if you want to be a little bit more professional with it. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to quickly talk about right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos.